The brand has now unveiled the Huawei Nova Flip, its first Nova-branded flip-style foldable phone, the Huawei Nova Flip. This marks the company's first entry into the compact flip foldable market. Known for its stylish devices, Huawei positions the phone as a fashion-forward choice. The Huawei Nova Flip is not just about looks. This foldable phone packs serious hardware. Its water drop hinge mechanism is a standout feature. Rigorously tested by SGS Switzerland, it can handle over 1 million folds. The Nova Flip is slim and light, measuring just 6.88 millimeters when unfolded and weighing only 195 grams. This device is easy to handle and carry. Nova's first small folding phone is colorful and full of new ideas. The Matrix collection design, the round lens, and the interesting square screen are cleverly matched, simple and harmonious, showing the beauty of order. Look, everything is wonderful. The 6.94 inches ultra-clear flexible OLED screen, combined with Display Turbo 2.0 color display, provides clear and vivid images, making what you see seem lifelike. This new foldable phone boasts 2 stunning displays. A compact 2.14 inches OLED cover screen sits beside the dual cameras. Inside, users will find a larger 6.94 inches LTPO OLED main screen with FHD Plus resolution and adaptive refresh rates of 1 to 120 Hz. The cover screen is handy for selfies using the main camera and checking basic information like weather, music, and calendar. The first release of the Fun Call display. When you are on a call, the animation lights up and the screen appears in various styles. You can set a variety of styles and become the focus of attention. The newly upgraded Huawei DaVinci Portrait Engine 2.0 brings intelligent portrait optimization of shape, texture, color, light, and painting. With 3-dimensional faces, delicate skin texture, clear skin color, well-proportioned light and dark, and beautiful and natural blur, which comprehensively improves the texture of portraits. The 32-megapixel front selfie camera ensures high-quality self-portraits, while the dual-camera setup on the back offers versatility. The 50-megapixel RYYB main camera is ideal for capturing detailed photos, and the 8-megapixel ultra-wide macro lens allows for creative shots in various scenarios. Whether you're taking a close-up or a wide-angle shot, the Nova Flip has you covered. While Huawei hasn't officially revealed the chipset or RAM, Geekbench listing suggests the Nova Flip uses the Kirin 8000 processor. This chip also powers the Huawei Nova 12 and 12 Pro. Hongmeng refers to products equipped with Harmony OS 4.2. AI functions include Smart Xiaoyi, AI elimination, smart camera, etc. Running on the Hongmeng 4.2 system, integrated with AOSP 12, the Nova Flip offers a user-friendly experience. This operating system combination is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, enhancing productivity and usability. Users can expect smooth performance and a range of features that cater to both everyday tasks and more demanding applications. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any phone, and the Nova Flip doesn't disappoint. The 4400 mAh battery provides ample power for a full day of use. When it's time to recharge, the 66-watt fast charging support ensures you can quickly get back to using your device. Huawei's Supercharged Turbo 2.0, 10 minutes of charging, 6 hours of video playback. Always have fun. This combination of long battery life and fast charging makes the Nova Flip a reliable companion for busy days. Huawei Nova Flip is an exciting new foldable phone, packed with impressive specs and features. Its powerful Kirin 8000 chip, high-quality display, versatile camera system, and sleek design make it a strong contender in the foldable phone market. With its official release just around the corner, the Nova Flip is set to make waves in the tech world. Whether you're looking for performance, style, or cutting-edge technology, the Nova Flip has something to offer. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.